Hello, this is Dr. Wynn, and I am here to show you how to submit an assignment on Moodle if you're not familiar with it. So one of the first things that you need to do is to go into the Moodle website, and I just have built a fake topic here so that you can see what is going on. And on the left hand side, this is our upcoming events. You can see what is happening there. So you'll see two things that have quiz on it. These are quiz examples. One will say to open first, the other one is open second. Either of them you should not open until you're ready to actually take the quiz. Once you start the quiz, you have 90 minutes to print it out and do whatever else and then resubmit it. And I'm here to show you how to submit those quizzes. The second one is used to submit the actual quiz. So I'm going to click on the quiz example, and this is telling you when the quiz opened, when it is due, and you have a time limit here of 1 hour 30 minutes. You can preview the quiz, and again it reminds you that there's 90 minutes. You're just going to have the one screen here, and you'll see up here it says open this link to open the quiz file. So you'll open that link, and you can see that it downloaded a file down here in the left hand corner. So that's going to download, and I can open up that file. Now when it opened in my other window, it asked me to enable editing. So at this point, one of your options for doing your exam or your quiz is to print it out as it is in the one sheet, fill it out, scan the document, and then you would find the document that was scanned to. So I've written my name on the example here. My name's not really Ethelene. And you can see the PDF that was scanned. And if you have a scanner at home, you can scan it. Otherwise, if you have a smartphone, you're able to use the DocCam scanner app to scan your exam. All of the answers are here. Then you would just save as, and then choose whatever folder you want to, and then enter in your last name, quiz example, or if it was quiz number 1, you would save it as that, or SciFinder Lab 1, something like that. But last name first, please. So save it where it's going to go to, and then you would just, after that, you would go to submit the document. Another method for submitting your answers, if you have a tablet, you are welcome to open the document using whatever tools you like to use for that. So you can write your name in here, complete your answers, circle answers, draw your structure, and then once you've completed the quiz, just go to your save as, and then as your PDF file, and then your last name, quiz example, save, and then you would submit it to Moodle. Another option for submitting your assignment is to write your answers on a piece of paper. If you don't have access to a printer, you can write it on a piece of paper. Take a picture of that piece of paper and upload it to your computer or email it to yourself, however you get those documents. If you want to do a hybrid of things, you can type in the answers where there are answers that can be typed in. And if you desire to change the ink color, you're welcome to do that, but that is not required. And then you have the second answer here. If it's multiple choice, you can just go ahead and highlight the correct answer. And then here on question number 3, there's a structure that needs to be drawn. So you can go back to the answer sheet where you wrote all the answers down and bring up that document. And I can see number 3 is the structure that I need right here. And what you can use is, if you have a Windows, you can use the snipping tool, which you can find by doing a start and then search for snipping tool. If you are an Apple user, I believe the program is called Grab or something along those lines. So you can use the snipping tool, just click on the snip for a new one, and the screen will go kind of cloudy and it'll show you this box. So you can just highlight or cut around here, and that will show up in the snipping toolbox here. You can just do edit copy or do Control C. and then click onto your document, and then you can Control V to paste it, or File Paste, and you can just resize it so that it will fit into the document. In the box here in question number 16, I can type in the reagent, SOCl2, change that to a superscript, and that would give me the desired product here. And then for another reagent that I have to put in this box, that one requires me drawing a structure. So what I can do then is go back to that sheet where I had the answers that I took a picture of, snip that structure. So Control N, draw a box around it, Control C to copy, and then I'll just paste it right into this box, and that will fit there. And then you would go through Save As, and I'm going to save it as a PDF. And you can see the assignment here. The only thing I forgot to do here was to write my name on the quiz. So we have the different documents. This is the one that was printed out and then written on. That was scanned in and saved as the PDF. This is the version using the tablet. And this is the version where it's kind of the hybrid, where you type in answers where you have them, highlight answers, and then insert the images as needed. So once you have your PDF saved, go back to Moodle, and you should go back to the quiz, and I'm going to actually open another window here. To go to submit your quiz, and I can see over here how much time I have left on the quiz, so there's still an hour and 26 minutes. So if I go open a new tab with the quizzes are, you'll see your quiz example, the open first and the open second. That's for the submission. So I'm going to click on open second, and you will go to the add submission. And then you can just drop and drag a file here. So you can notice here that the accepted file types are PDF only. So I'm going to find my quiz, enter it here, and then save changes. And then once you've done uploaded your quiz onto the assignment submission button, go back to the quiz. You can type in time left, finish attempt, answer is saved, and then you can submit and finish, and then you will finish that. Once your quiz or assignment has been graded, it should say that it's been graded here. Your file will appear here, and you should have comments, or there should be an attachment of sorts once feedback has been given to you, and that is how you will submit your assignment or quiz or exam or lab.